And it goes a little something like.
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a special guest with us today. Today I have my cousin here and I'll be doing her makeup. So first I'm having her put on some of my primer just so that I can have her face clean and protected from any buildup in her pores. So I'm having her put that on for me and then I'm going to shape up and outline her eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be adding some of my concealer. I think I used the shade Beige or Warm Honey, and I'm going to be using that concealer to clean up her eyebrows. It was kind of a bit challenging for me because I'm actually doing someone else's makeup and not my own. So to be able to be there like up close and personal doing someone else's makeup, you can't really get to know if you're doing the right angles or not. So I had her hold up the mirror for me just so I can be able to see what it is that I'm doing from the angle that I'm working from. Now that I'm finishing up outlining her eyebrows, I'm going to blend that out and then go into our next step. Hold on. Next, I'll be applying some eyeshadow primer to her eyes, and I'm going to be using my makeup brush to blend that out and add some of her makeup foundation to seal it all in. Next, I'm going to be starting off with our shadow areas. So I'm going in with the brown and I'm just packing it on in layers. And then I'm adding some black to the inner and outer section of the eye. And then I'm going to be applying that burgundy red that's going to go well with her outfit. I didn't save the picture that I am going off of for this look. I wish I did, but I used her phone, so we never saved it. But it's gonna look super cute. So now I'm just cleaning up the area where we made a bit of mistake because she just won't keep her eyes still. And guys, I know I'm filming at a awkward angle, but it's the only angle that I felt comfortable doing the makeup in because my desk is in the front and that's where all the lighting is, and I really wanted to get you guys to see all of what it was that I was doing. But yeah, I'm putting in a little bit of gold in the intersection of her eye, and what I did afterwards was I add some of that warm beige or pure beige concealer just to give like kind of like a mid cut crease look, and I am packing on some of that gold from my palette into that section right there where I have the concealer. And this is how everything is looking so far. We're gonna go into her foundation process. Now I know that I'm using a concealer, however the foundation that she had didn't really go well with her skin tone, so we had to go in with the concealer. And I'm using the concealer in the shade Fawn. Now I'm going to be using her foundation brush and I'm going to be blending that in. Now as you guys can see, we're using concealer because my foundation is way too dark for her, as we can all tell, and I only have makeup products for like foundation and stuff, mostly for my skin tone. So we were just basically winging it with using the concealer as her foundation.
Turn to the side, sir. Wait, so me, unless me not see good.
Line, line.
No, no, no.
Tell me if you see it still. You can see better than
Go.
you, as in like, because me do it from.
As I usually have to do in time, my foundation. Because sometimes I get too light, sometimes I get too dark, so I feel like,
This is the season.
yeah, check sun, burn me out.
Winter sun.
I tell you, it's dark sun.
Winter sun.
Jody, you know, see me snap, my throw back somebody and put.
Alisa, I go and get a lick. You make me go, you know, there's something there. Tap move.
Okay, guys, so my cousin was moving a lot, so I had to do that over. Just make it stay unfiltered like this.
Go too long.
No, as
Too
in
much
like,
long talking.
yeah, you speed up a little bit, or some part to slow it down.
So next I'm applying her concealer underneath her under eye section, and I'm gonna be doing her T-bone contour. What?
My Snapchat not working.
Good.
I can't snap my friend them. I the phone on.
Bring the phone, not the one, right?
The phone on. And I go over, you know, I start doing a little work, and I like, Judy, I take a mirror pic, the tree camera.
What?
My new phone.
Yeah, sure.
Period, girl.
Is it called?
The edges, man, the edges.
No, I gotta fix it afterwards. Next, I'm gonna be applying her eyeliner, her wings, and then I'm gonna be using some of my translucent powder, and I'm gonna put that in those areas of where I contoured.
I just have a thing, somebody go comment.
Of course. She's gonna say great job. She looked like sense.
My Snapchat not opening, why?
And this is how it's looking so far. Next, I'm gonna be applying the highlights along the bridge of her nose to the tip of her nose and above her eyebrows and along her cheeks, the crown of her lips, and her chin area. And I'm gonna be blending that all in.
all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
The bunny is small though. Look at me. Look down. Jesus Christ. Look down here. Okay. I think I want this one.
I was thinking about that because I like dark colors.
Okay, look clean.
Maybe black.
They can't do without black. Alright, Susan.
Auntie
Mm-hmm.
Because I said, like, you know, the black just give it a look.
Much blacking they put on. Alright. Come, look at me. Fix your mouth. Relax your mouth. Over the sun. Okay.
Single and ready to mingle, guys. Okay.
Acha! See, they were expecting a spray.
Jody, why you had to drown me? No.
Because you keep moving, so I had to keep spraying.
Drown me, child.
It's so much.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So, Hitero, as you know, I'm an influencer. But the more of them, I'm gonna feel like doing my makeup. I need to learn to do my eyeshadow. That's for sure.
So you can have a decent look.
Yeah, I plan on doing that. You know, like take my time do my makeup when I feel
And
like.
after hours later, guys, this is the final look. Her edges are laid, lashes on fleek, lips are popping. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of how I did her makeup. Did I nail it? Hit the subscribe button if you're new. And see you guys next time. Bye.
Period. Period, poo. Yes. Get dressed.